In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get cheap camera gear on eBay and not get ripped off. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or a professional trying to snag the best deal, diving into eBay for camera gear can be both thrilling and daunting. However, with the right strategies, you can score some fantastic deals without falling into common pitfalls. Let's walk through a few essential steps to enhance your buying experience. First, using the right keywords is crucial. When you're starting your search, specific phrases like used Canon 80D body only, broken Nikon D750 for parts, or Fujifilm X lens lot will help you locate the items that best match your needs. These keywords focus your search, filtering out unwanted listings and bringing relevant items to the forefront. Once you've got your keyword list ready, it's time to refine your search further. Apply filters such as condition, selecting used or seller refurbished. This way you avoid the junk and focus only on items that are more likely to be in good working order or worth repairing. Setting a maximum budget is another smart move. Determine the highest amount you're willing to spend to ensure you stick to your financial plan and don't get carried away by bidding wars. This budget should include shipping costs as well. When looking through listings, it helps to sort them by price plus shipping, lowest first, or ending soonest. This method prioritizes the best deals on your screen promptly, allowing you to be more strategic in your approach. Keep in mind that many sellers still prefer to auction their items. To optimize your chances of winning these auctions, consider using a sniping tool like Jixen or eSnipe. These tools quietly bid for you in the final seconds of an auction, keeping the price reasonable and increasing your chance to win. Now, if you're handy with repairs, buying broken gear for parts or DIY repair can substantially cut down costs. You'd be surprised how many items can be brought back to life with a little effort and the right spare parts. Before making the final purchase, checking the seller's feedback and ratings is crucial. Aim to buy from sellers with a feedback rating of 99% or higher and at least 100 ratings. Moreover, reading recent comments, especially the negative ones, provides insight into any potential issues. Determine if the seller is a top-rated or professional gear reseller. This can be a valuable indicator of reliability. Also, be on the lookout for red flags. Listings with only stock images, without real photos of the item, vague descriptions, sellers with no return policy, or prices that seem too good to be true. These are often telltale signs of unreliable listings. By following these steps, you can navigate eBay like a pro, securing great deals on camera gear while avoiding common scams. Happy shopping, and may you find exactly what you're looking for.